Guys, let me just show you what we are seeing here. Look at all the red, all the red. And my peppers grow like a tree. My peppers grow like a tree. Just appreciate all of that color.
Look at this other one. This is two. I can see another one over there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my dear friend visiting from the motherland. She's all the way from Cameroon, and it is my singular pleasure today to give her a tour around my garden, and then we're also going to be harvesting a ton of peppers. So guys, this is that main part of my garden, and what we still have going on in July, a lot of peppers. The okras are coming up, water leaves.
You have some groundnuts too.
Yes, I have peanuts. Yes, I have peanuts. Let me show you. These are the jungle peanuts.
What you showed us in the last video.
Right.
Yeah, it has the
That's
red
right.
and the stripe.
Exactly. Yeah. Over there we have the pigeon peas. We know it as mkunja. My friend is harvesting it right now. I started growing these back in March. Actually, I am a little, let me say, disappointed at the size of this thing, because this is my first time growing the pigeon peas. I was thinking it would grow like a bush. Isn't that what we're used to?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this particular variety does not grow like a bush. You know, from all the research I did on pigeon peas, I thought it was going to grow and really be bushy around here, but this is all I got, which is okay. So this is our harvest of the pigeon peas. This is what we were able to get. At some point, we're gonna shell it and show you how it looks like on the inside. Hey everyone, it's YAJE from the future. Just wanted to give you updates on that same pigeon peas I just showed you. After harvesting, this happened. It just grew very, very tall. That's the fence. It's towering way above the fence, and I've been harvesting a lot of the parts. It's attracting a lot of pollinators to my garden. Just wanted to share with you that update. So guys, next we're going to be harvesting all the peppers. Do you know how many kinds of peppers I have? Guess. Or how many plants of peppers I have? A lot. So I'll show you all the peppers I have and the different varieties. So right now, what she's harvesting is known as the Scotch bonnet peppers, the Jamaican Scotch bonnet peppers, guys. These are the yellow ones. They are so pretty. Like, that's why I love growing peppers, just for these colors. These colors can keep me going. These ones are not as hot as habaneros.
Okay.
You know, they're like, the peppers are perfect for seasoning. You know, if you want to make like pepper sauce that is you can eat with chicken and fish, that kind of stuff, that's not burning your mouth, but it's just there and flavorful. This pepper is perfect for that. Yeah.
Can you just demonstrate how you harvest them so that I don't spoil?
No, yeah, when harvesting you want to cut from
here.
Right.
From here.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, pull all with the little yes, you pull from there.
Oh, okay.
And you know, best practice is also to wear a pair of gloves, so you wipe the sweat off of your face and get pepper on your face.
I know, right?
Yeah. So I can get us some gloves.
Okay.
That's our yellow Scotch bonnet pepper harvest. All right, now let's go get the red one. Go on. So you were asking what this plant is?
Yeah.
It is known as the jute leaf. Jute leaf.
Okay.
This particular variety is a Nigerian jute leaf. There are so many different kinds. This jute leaf in the world, different cultures enjoy it. I'll give you the name in Cameroon and you probably know what it is.
Oh, okay.
In Cameroon it's known as keneng.
I see.
Yes. See, the name is so important. That's keneng.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
Nigerians call it Ewedu.
Okay. Oh, I see.
If you hear amala, Ewedu
Nice
soup.
in the soup.
Yes, they make this green, dark forest green soup.
Yeah.
That's Ewedu. Then they will put red stew, and then if you've seen that,
I know that. I've seen that.
exactly,
I've seen that.
that is Ewedu.
Okay.
It's so pretty. I love
Yeah.
it. Yeah, it's very cleansing too.
Okay.
Like you can just blend it in a smoothie.
Okay.
It cleans your. People swear by it. Very healthy, that plant.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Guys, let me just show you what we are seeing here. Look
So
at all
beautiful.
the red,
Oh my God.
all the red. And my peppers grow like a tree.
Yeah, I've never
My
seen a
peppers
pepper
grow
plant this
like a
big.
tree. Just appreciate all of that color. See,
So what did you say these are? These peppers.
they're habaneros. They are red habanero peppers. It's a bit duntam, so
Yeah, that's it. What? In what's the same? What? Wow.
So guys, we're working on the habanero peppers, the yellow habanero peppers now. Well, we harvested the red, as you can see. Now we're getting the yellow ones. It is crazy
right
down under here.
Yeah.
It is, look at that.
Oh my God.
Look at
So
all the
beautiful.
puffs of yellow.
Yeah.
When you look from the top, you can't see anything.
Yeah.
But then
When you come down here.
down here,
Yeah. That's
yeah.
where the beauty is.
Yellow habanero peppers. All right, guys, this one pepper decided to just grow very tall. Not sure why. It's very tall and it is producing a different kind of pepper. I was wondering why, but look at this. This looks like a super hot pepper. It looks like a yellow ghost pepper. That's what it looks like. I'm not quite sure. Do you recognize this? Let me know. It looks like a yellow ghost pepper to me. Guys, let me share with you updates on my sister's seed okras. Look, so this one is that Sea Island red okra. See how beautiful it looks? It's starting to produce flowers and the okra, well, flowers. And then over here, this one is, let me see. We'll find out what it is. This one should be, this is the Koba Fredman okra. And look what we have. We have a mature okra plant on this one. I'm going to show you. Look, that's the Koba Fredman okra. I have two of them growing here. Wow. So that's our first harvest. And then this here is that watermelon, the white watermelon. The white watermelon is growing here, as you can see. And then our squash, the crucial squash is growing. It's wanting to climb on the fence here. No, I don't want it to climb on the fence. It's starting to produce. That's that crucial squash. I don't want it to climb. But yeah. I also have another kind of okra. This one should be a type of red okra. It's not growing tall, not sure why. So this one is the Moody family okra. I don't know why it would not grow taller than this. Moody family okra. But I'm so excited that I harvested one today. Now let's harvest these ones over here. I believe these are Scotch, not Scotch bonnets. These are ghost peppers. It's from the super hot family. Super hot peppers. So guys, that's our harvest.
I can't find it.
Keep looking, there's a lot of this, at least 2 or 3 very huge ones.
Oh,
They tend to hide.
oh, I see. I love them.
They tend to hide.
They tend to hide, right?
Yeah. So feel free to step on the bed, it's fine.
See, yeah, I've got one here. I think I like this fruit. You know why?
No?
Because they love the skin. They hide from the sun. They don't want to have sunburn. So they just hide.
I guess what we
down
did
here.
not do, we did not apply any sun.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
That's
Okay, I
one.
think
Let's see,
that
we're on a
good.
cucumber hunt. Let's see how many she gets. I saved this for her.
Okay, thank you.
I
That's
saved
fine.
this for her so
This
she
is
can
going to make a
harvest
beautiful
these
fruit
cute.
juice. Look at this other one. This is two. I can see another one over there. I love them. They hide from the sun. They love the sun. They don't want to have sun.
If you pull that branch up, you can feel the root. You see
Oh
it?
yeah, I can see that. Yeah, it's really pretty. Yeah. Oh, it's quite pretty. I think.
Yeah, it's probably the biggest.
Yeah.
Is it sure?